Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Richard S. of Texas. Richard, this is the console that you sent in for service. It is a Corona, I want to say V2. It's a 4 gig on board, but did not require a postfix adapter. So we actually went ahead and did the Muffin CR4 speed-up install using a Matrix V1, which as you can see has provided really nice fast boot times here. That means images built for this console in the future will require the RGH2 selected or glitch 2 as well as that CR4 tick box within JRunner. I made a quick note on top of the disk holder here where we've got the disk that has your backups in it, and as you can see here we started up directly into Freestyle with no problems. So check out the additional links that come in your final confirmation email. There's really good info in there, and we'll get this thing packed up and headed out your way tomorrow. So enjoy. Thanks.